Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
If you're thinking of a large cash out, you're thinking of debt consolidation. You see what I am? I'm concerned about your financial responsibility and the debts that you have to be paying every month. And because of my concern and how I care for the community, it's my duty to educate you and get you informed about the various loan programs available. And with the 5.5, this will do wonders for you. Remember, we do wonders at First Republic. I can tell you that for a fact, not miracles. I'm not from the heavenly body.
You're not the Father.
Exactly, but we do wonders. And when I say wonders, 5.5% cash out can consolidate all your debts. Make your monthly payment significantly lower than what you're paying right now. Because if you total all your monthly payments right now and all those monthly payments on your credit cards, your auto loan, your school loan, your vacation home, your timeshare, I can make your monthly obligation reduce over $2,000, probably $3,000.
Can you?
That's being delivered. That can be worked up mathematically and shown you on paper, physically in front of you.
Let me ask you something, man. A lot of folks out there right now may just be driving. Some of them at home. They can't literally grab the papers. Can these people call you with an approximate idea of what their expenses are and give it to you over the phone, and you can give them an idea as to where they would be at if they were getting 5.5%? Can you do that for them today, right here in our Link Up Radio studio?
Absolutely.
Privately and confidentially.
Well, everything we do in the studio, in the office, it's private, because even when they do the application, there's a Privacy Act form that we all have to sign as the consumer, and it protects the consumer from outside agency being know about their internal business within First Republic Bank.
Beautiful.
It's a Privacy Act form, and we have to keep everything private and confidential. Likewise, we do it right here with the studio, private and confidential.
Okay, great, beautiful.
So if you folks out there, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, the mortgage doctors, you would say 25 years of experience with all the credentials that comes with it. That doesn't mean nothing to me, as I always said. What it does, what I really like for our listeners out there to really recognize me for, I display integrity at all levels.
We know that, man.
Okay.
You are Tony Shafiq.
Absolutely.
You are the mortgage doctor. You are the only executive vice president at First Republic Mortgage Bank.
Thank you.
Wrong or right?
Right, absolutely.
Why do they call you the mortgage doctor? I have the answer. It's a rhetorical question for me, but not for the listeners out there who are listening to you across multiple states, not just New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey, but Florida, Georgia, Maryland. Now I understand Delaware. I believe I'll ask Scott about that one, Maine, and Pennsylvania. Why do they call you the mortgage doctor?
Well, apart from 25 years of experience being in the business as a financial advisor and in the real estate business, why they call me the mortgage doctor is because I have the knowledge and the capacity and the know-how of every single mortgage program available and the guidelines of these mortgage programs and the perimeters of the mortgage program. So when I structure the loan to put it to the underwriter, it must make sense. And I have the ability to make it and structure that makes sense to the underwriter, because the underwriter is the one that looks at the final stage to underwrite your loan and approve it. And unless you have a loan officer with years of experience and know the mortgage program guidelines and the product parameters, we would not be able to structure a loan application to that extent where you can convince the underwriter for the fast approval.
Wow.
This is why they call me the mortgage doctor, because at First Republic Mortgage Bank, we know of every single mortgage programs available. Not only the government-backed program, we know about the Sonny Mae, the Fannie Mae, the Freddie Mac, the government-backed, the veterans, the reverse mortgage, the national,
You're just rattling them off, man.
Everything that we have at the First Republic Bank, even the niche program, the non-conforming, the no-ratio loan.
Come on, Tony Shafiq.
Everything.
The foreign national program.
Absolutely. The foreign national program, we also have that. So with all these programs available at First Republic Mortgage Bank and knowing the guidelines and the parameters of how you have to underwrite a structured loan to be written for an approval, that's why they call me the mortgage doctor.
You are a surgeon, man. So here's what we're going to do right now. Surgically, we're going to pick specific people. I got some people up in Connecticut that's tuning in right now, some in New Jersey and some in New York. These individuals Okay? They are what Scott calls the silent majority. They listen, but they do nothing. Most of them have excellent credit. Some of them don't. I want you specifically to handle the silent majority because I know you understand the different cultures of our people. You know the reason why some people call and why some people don't call. But it's obviously understood by everyone, even the other mortgage entities. They don't say it, okay? But they know that First Republic Mortgage Bankers is number one. As a matter of fact, I know of an individual that's working in another mortgage entity that called up First Republic Mortgage Bankers for a loan and got it. As a matter of fact, I tried to convince them to be a true success story on the airwaves, and they said, no, squeeze you out of your mind. This is what First Republic Mortgage Bankers is all about. Because at the end of the day, it's all about one thing, the lowest possible monthly payment and getting a fixed year, or should I say a fixed 30-year fixed program. Getting a program that has a 30-year fixed, not an adjustable rate mortgage now, not in these times. So right now, let's open up the phone lines for you, and then let me just open up the phone lines for you. The number to call the mortgage doctor at is 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. Who will you speak with? Tony. Okay, what will he do? He'll show you how you can get 5.5% and pre-approve you right now and lock it in. But you got to speak with him. Yes, Tony.
With poor credit, no credit, even bankruptcy in the past, you can still get this program. So you folks out there, you need the 5.5%. Just make the phone call. The consultation is absolutely free. You know, you have to take action. No good is ever done in this world by procrastination, and hesitation is always a thief of time. So make here while the sun is shining, and although this rate may not last forever, it is a limited offer, first come, first serve. So you know what? The early bird catches the rate, R-A-T, the 5.5%. So let you guys give me a call right now, and I will come back in the studio and give you a scenario which has happened 2 weeks ago, and you will endorse what I'm saying.